Hi, I'm Liberty. Welcome to Before and Afters at Century Farms. Here are just a few clips of the progress of our piano room. I cleared out the piano room so that I can focus on repairing this wall and painting it. I did get the wires out, pulled out up to the ceiling, and I've washed the walls again, and I've washed the trim. I just need to repair some cracks, that big hole, and paint, and I want to finish the trim and get the flooring and maybe even get a new door. Who knows how long that will take us. So I grabbed one of my new zebra paintbrushes to cut in around this wall, and I was amazed at how thick the paint went on so that I didn't need to do another coat. I really like these thick paintbrushes, and I wish I had discovered them sooner. You can find a link for them in the description below. I was able to find a used secondhand door for a really good price, and the handle cost as much as the door. So I haven't painted it yet. It still needs painted. Here's the other side of the door, and we really like how it looks, and we were glad we could get it installed. We were able to have a plumber come and finish hooking up our heating system that had been cut in this room. I was able to get the wall repaired and primed and painted, and now I'm waiting on a carpenter to help me get the windows out so I can stain them properly and not stain them and have them sticking shut. So I was really hoping to get this ceiling done, but I didn't since I haven't been feeling well. I am finally ready to put the poly stain on my trim. I have the lower windows out so that they won't stick and can still go up and down. The top ones won't matter. If somebody wants them out in later years, they'll have to work on it. But I'm really excited to finally get this done. I'm also going to go around the door and around that window up there. So here we go. So we finally finished the piano room, and it is decorated for Christmas. So I gave my first piano lesson last week. There's 2 wreaths on the door, one inside and one outside. And really loving how this turned out. For all the details of how I painted the ceiling, click the link in the description below. If you want to see more videos of Century Farms, they are also in the description. Thanks for watching.